Guys, I will want us to watch this video. Yes, watch this video that I'm about to show you. I say watch this video. The Nigerian youth in the Nigerian youth in South Africa, the one who are refused to go back to their country, they have turned against the South African, those one that is protesting, those one that always say you must go back to your country. 30th of June is the deadline. Anybody they see in the street, they are butchering them, fighting them, they are doing all sorts of manner of things. Now, today, being 2nd of June, being 2nd of July 2026, the Nigerian youth in South Africa, all of them mobilize themselves in one community. There are more than thousands. They are waiting for South Africa. Now, they are red Nigerians now. They want to take the bull by the horn. Hear me well. Hear me well. The Nigerian community in South Africa